Hi there. Hey, let's talk briefly about the geography of energy exploration, extraction, collection, distribution. You know, a lot of it has to do with economic geography, right? The price of commodities, the price of energy, not just locally but globally, and how those energies are traded, negotiated, and so on around the world between countries, also between regions and states and provinces. Let's talk about physical geography. Obviously, oil here, right? So this is the Permian Basin, one of the most studied, researched, explored, exploited basins in the world. Has been producing energy since the 1920s, so about 90 years of energy exploration here, not just oil but natural gas and others. So physical geography, this basin, why did it come to be? Why is it so rich in oil and natural gas, for example? And then thinking of the land use in this area, we've got energy, we've got some ranching, we've got some farming, we've also got, you may be able to see in the distance, let me show you over here, the city of Midland, which is way over there. There's on the horizon, see right over there? So Midland, Odessa, attracting a huge number of people to the region for jobs and so on and so forth. And so you've impacted the cultural geography of the region. And then you've got facilities to store and transport energy. So you've got a lot going on in terms of land use and cultural geography. Now what about this? Think about alternative energy sources. How do we extract those? How do we find where they are? Well, a lot of it has to do with using 21st century tools like a geographic information system. A geographic information system is critical in the energy sector, right? To figure out not only how we find energy, but also how we transport it, how we deal with it, how we trade it, how do we get it to customers? How do we get that energy into a thing that we can use, right? We all like to use our electronic devices. We all like to heat our homes, power our lights, and so on and so forth, drive our transport, urban transport, rural transport. So you've got light rail, you've got railroads, you've got cars, you've got trucks, you've got so on and so forth, airplanes, right? All that needs energy. And so energy is a huge, enormous issue around the world. And in order to deal with that, you really need to study geography, cultural geography, physical geography, economic geography, also physics, right? Energy has a lot to do with studying physics, and also mathematics, engineering, lots of things we could chat about. But thanks for being with me on this brief tour of energy and geography. I encourage you to study it because we're going to need some smart people out there to join the existing folks that are in the workforce. We need a lot more people to really understand the geography of energy and how to use these geographic tools such as GIS, web mapping, remote sensing, and so on to efficiently manage and conserve our energy resources. Thanks.